Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a computer chip. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker and my ruler to draw a computer chip. At the beginning, you have to draw a straight line. Now draw another one. Another one. And this is the final one. The length of every line should be the same. Now let's connect them together. I'm using my ruler and my black pen again to draw a square inside it. I'm filling this portion with my black marker pen. Okay, now I'm using my ruler again and my black pen to draw some tiny lines. Follow the same steps in every side. Now I'm using the same black pen to connect everything together. Let's do it faster. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm using my ruler again and my pencil to draw a perfect square inside the large one. Okay, now I'm using my black marker pen to draw some tiny circles. Perfect. Now I'm using my ruler again to connect them together. Okay, now let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Now I'm using my pencil to create a nice gray color. In the middle of it, I'm using my orange pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.